The FDP system was designed specifically to be portable, compliant, convenient, and safe. This innovative system will provide you with many years of reliable service. The FDP system is self-contained and is comprised of a tank or tanks that sit upon a platform surrounded by security fencing. Please familiarize yourself with the following general components: leak gauge, liquid level gauge, spill bowl, dust cap, emergency relief vent, vent riser, meter, filter, pump, motor, check valve, breakaway hose, swivel, overall nozzle, static discharge reel, light switch, back of unit with decals, extended trolley with cord. Upon delivery, the FDP system must be placed on level ground. Before filling the tank, the system must be set up properly. What is most important is to ensure the safe function of your system. Open the gates and walk around the unit, taking the time to look over the equipment. Walk to the back of the platform and visually check the unit, then open the back gate. Remove the tank covers and inspect for any damage. Fold and place the tank covers in their storage bags. Check fire extinguisher for serviceability and proper charge. Change out the placard numbers. Make sure manual and other paperwork is in the manual box. Make sure your emergency spill kit is complete. Unfasten the pin and pull light up to the upright position. Place the park and travel pin in place and attach securely. View the light switch, and pole for any damage. Open the side gate, then attach the green hose to the retractor. Unfasten the red hose and attach clip to retractor. Remove the vent risers from the travel position. Remove the dust cap. Park the vent risers on tank. Attach to the receiving fitting on top of the tank. Make sure all the vent pipes cam locks work properly. Please be aware that the vent risers must be upright at all times until the tank is inerted for transport or storage. Familiarize yourself with the generator by reviewing the manual supplied by the manufacturer. To set up the generator, unlock the trolley by pulling up the pin. Pull the generator out to the parked position. Make sure the Super Duty cord is in place. Insert park pin in the trolley assembly. Check the receptacle plug on the inside of the bulkhead. Your generator set must be filled with fuel at all times. All systems run off the generator. Make sure you connect your static line to the receiving safety fuel can. Be sure to use only UL-approved gasoline or diesel safety cans. Before dispensing fuel, the FDP tank must be filled. Make sure your fuel service provider is aware of the current fuel level. To prevent static discharge, connect static line to delivery truck. Open the spill bowl cover. Remove the cap inside the spill bucket and begin fueling. Make sure there is room for product expansion. Do not overfill. When fueling is complete, Remove the nozzle and return it to the delivery truck. Disconnect the static line from the delivery unit. Close and secure the tank's top loading cover. Remember, as long as there is product in the tank, the vent risers must remain in place. After your system has been set up, it is ready to dispense fuel. Warning: no smoking. Make sure you connect your static line from the platform to the receiving equipment. Remove the nozzle. Zero your meter. Turn on the switch in the holster area. Walk the hose and nozzle to the receiving equipment and begin fueling process. When fueling is complete, return the nozzle to the holster and turn off the pump. Retract the static line to the parked position. Record the gallon transaction. The FDP system is a portable above-ground storage tank. It is not a cargo tank. It must be empty and inert prior to transport. There are two phases involved in making your tank ready for travel: inerting the tank and parking the components. You can park all of the components of the FDP system except the vent risers. These vent risers can only be removed after the recovery and inertion process. Your fuel recovery service will remove all product from the tank using the appropriate method. Be sure to follow your state and local regulations for inerting the tank prior to travel. Once the tank is inert, remove the vent risers and place in the travel position. First, unclip the hoses from the retractors and saddle them over the tank. Then remove the pin in the light pole and place in the travel position. Now secure the generator. Make sure the generator fuel supply is off. Unplug the unit. Pull the park pin. Push the trolley assembly back to the bulkhead. Pin or lock inside the bulkhead. Place the weather cover on the generator. Change the placards on the front bulkhead and place the tank cover on the unit. Close the rear gates and apply the side panels if applicable. Now that your tank or tanks are empty and have been made inert, they are ready for transport. There are 3 ways to do this: a flatbed recovery truck or land-all equipment trailer, a cable-style slide system using a dead pull drag hook, or a hook assembly using a 54-inch hook.